In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate vector layers in Figma. By the end, you will know exactly how to split a vector into distinct pieces you can manage independently in your Layers panel, all using tools built right into Figma. First, open your design. You can work in any file where you've already got vector artwork. Whether it's an icon, an illustration, or a simple shape. Give yourself a clear view of the canvas by zooming in a bit so you can cut precisely. Next, select the vector object you want to separate. Make sure you've clicked the actual vector layer, not a frame or a bitmap image. You'll know it's a vector if you can see its outline and it lists as a vector or shape in the Layers panel. Now press Enter to enter edit mode. You'll see the vector's points and paths become active, which tells you are ready to make precise edits on the shape itself rather than moving the whole object. If you can't see the nodes, try clicking the vector once more and press Enter again. With the object in edit mode, choose the Cut tool from the toolbar or press X. This tool lets you divide a path where you click or slice across multiple paths with a drag. If you don't immediately see the icon, look for the Vector Tools menu and pick the option labeled for cutting or slicing. To create a clean split, click directly on a point where you want the division, or click and drag across the paths to draw a cutting line. Dragging across is useful when you want to separate a larger section in one motion. Take your time and zoom in for accuracy. If you make a mistake, simply undo and try another cut. You'll see the original vector break into separate pieces, each now selectable on its own. This makes it easy to isolate parts of your artwork. Adjust colors independently. Toggle visibility or move one segment without affecting the others. If a piece isn't separating the way you expect, check that your cut fully crossed the path and that you were in edit mode before making the slice. Repeat cuts as needed until each section you want is split out. Remember, you can always step back with undo if you cut too far. And you can refine cuts by zooming closer for finer control. That's it. Thanks for watching.